everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making Korean barbecue wings. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need chicken wings, soy sauce, sriracha, ketchup, rice vinegar, brown sugar, minced garlic, cornstarch, sesame seeds, seasoned oil, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Start by seasoning the chicken wings to taste with seasoned oil, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Next, fry the wings for 8 minutes. After, flash fry the wings for 3 minutes. In a pot on medium heat, add 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Mix and allow to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix together 1 tablespoon of cold water and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to make a slurry. Bring the sauce to a boil and mix in the slurry until the sauce thickens. Next, pour the sauce on the chicken wings and toss the wings. And there you have it, Korean barbecue wings. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.